motto and purpose in life is to kill Indians, is to hurt India. This India obsession has costed them their country, their 70 years and 7 generations. That is what is the history of Pakistan and the ISI put together. Now look what is happening. Now the Pakistan does not have money. They are changing their tactics. You look at this person, this terrorist was implanted. He was a working mole. He was there for wolf warrior kind of an attack or to cultivate and culminate sleeper cells. On the other side, we see that in Kashmir, overground workers are being turned into terrorists and they are doing targeted killings. Now, this man had very, very clear intention because the festivals of Diwali, Dussehra and all are coming through. He had plans to attack around that. My question is that how can this person would have survived on 14 years, keeping his radar signature very low without the local support? Who are the people who are involved with him locally? We are again reaching the same problem. Who are these terrorist facilitators? Who are these overground workers who are supporting terrorists in Kashmir and who are supporting Pakistani moles and detectives in a state like Delhi? We have to compliment Delhi police, we have to compliment MHA, and we have to compliment our intelligence agencies. A catastrophe has been averted. You look at the amount of weapons derived from this person. We don't know how many things has he cultivated, how many modules has he made. And you know, this reluctance to act on particular community and particular community being targeted, why was this person disguised as Molvi? Why not as a priest? This is a question also which needs to be answered. Why he is getting in certain ghettos, they get very convenient places to hide. And if a catastrophe happens tomorrow, everybody will blame Amit Shah, Modi, Ajit Doval, even Manish Saab here, Rao Saab, everybody will be blamed. Even NewsX can be blamed. But nobody blames that terrorist. And when forces do a fantastic job, where are these gangs? Nobody is complimenting them. You see, this person has been apprehended after 14 years. My only question is, who are the local people who are supporting him? They must be booked as terrorist facilitators, not under some light, what you call in Hindi, Dara of IPC. Yeah. Very stringent action should be taken against them because this man could only act, survive, groom and do his job as per the directions of ISI with local support. We can blame ISI, but let's also look who are the people who are supporting them. That is a very important dimension which has come to light. Congratulations to our security forces. I hope and pray, that we can apprehend more of them very soon because low-cost warfare is what ISI will resort to. The ceasefire and border was, they did not have money. Overground workers turning into terrorists, these sleeper cells being activated, these moles being activated, these spies being activated is the new name of the game of ISI because it costs them minimum and the distraction is maximum. Your and my life is at stake. We live in Delhi. We are lucky we are surviving this. Thank you, Delhi police. Thank you, intelligence. Thank you, MHA.
Okay. I'll also rope in at this.
3 quick points. The point number 1 is that, unless and until we teach a Pakistan's ISI lesson, which they appreciate and understand, these things will happen. Point number 2, which is very important, is we need to change the laws. Anybody who was supporting this person or facilitating this person is a terrorist. Anybody who works with a terrorist is a terrorist. We cannot have this kind of laws which differentiate between the 3. And the last point is that people like you, me, and everybody watching this broadcast, sir, madam, we are vulnerable. We need to look around us and we need to report these suspicious people. We cannot say terrorists are, terrorists don't look alien. That is the biggest lesson we learn from this. Thank you, our great security forces. You have averted a disaster. But there are many more of them who are out there. If you and me are not vigilant, they are going to come for you and me. They don't mind how many people they kill as long as we're Indians. It's as simple as plain as that.
Okay. And quickly, I'll